Welcome to Section 11, Lesson 3. Factoring is the fastest way to solve a quadratic equation when the quadratic factors over the integers. The procedure has 3 steps and uses every factoring technique from Section 8. Step 1. Get the equation into the form quadratic equals 0. If terms are scattered on both sides, move everything to one side. The right side must be 0 for the rest of the procedure to work. Step 2. Factor the quadratic completely. Use whichever factoring technique fits. Trinomial with leading coefficient 1 needs the find two numbers method. Larger leading coefficient needs the AC method. Always pull a GCF first if possible. Step 3. Apply the zero product property. Each linear factor set equal to 0 gives one root. The number of distinct linear factors equals the number of distinct real solutions. Today's 2 examples cover the standard trinomial case and a GCF case. Take x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. The equation is already in the standard 0 on the right form, so factor. Find two numbers that multiply to 6 and add to negative 5. The pair is negative 2 and negative 3. The factor form is x minus 2 times x minus 3, all set equal to 0. Apply the zero product property. Either x minus 2 equals 0 or x minus 3 equals 0. Two simple linear equations, each with one solution. From x minus 2 equals 0, x equals 2. From x minus 3 equals 0, x equals 3. The two solutions are x equals 2 and x equals 3, both visible on the parabola as the x-axis crossings. Solve 6x squared plus x minus 2 equals 0. The leading coefficient is bigger than 1, so use the AC method to factor. Compute the AC product. 6 times negative 2 is negative 12. Find two numbers whose product is negative 12 and sum is 1. The pair 4 and negative 3 works. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. 4 plus negative 3 is 1. Use the pair to split the middle term and group. The factored form after splitting and grouping is 2x minus 1 times 3x plus 2. Apply the zero product property. 2x minus 1 equals 0 gives x equals 1/2. 3x plus 2 equals 0 gives x equals negative 2/3. Both are valid solutions, including the fractions, because no domain restrictions apply to a polynomial equation. Example 2. Solve x squared equals 7x. Both sides have x in them, but step 1 says move everything to one side first. Subtract 7x from both sides to get x squared minus 7x equals 0. Now the equation is in standard form with 0 on the right. Factor out the GCF. Both terms have a factor of x. Pull it out. X times the quantity x minus 7 equals 0. Apply the zero product property. Either x equals 0 or x minus 7 equals 0. The two solutions are x equals 0 and x equals 7. The graph of y equals x squared and y equals 7x intersects at exactly these two x values, where the parabola and the line cross. 3 takeaways for solving quadratics by factoring. Always move everything to one side first. The zero product property only works when the right side equals 0. Skipping this step is the most common error in this lesson. Factor the quadratic completely. Use the find two numbers method when the leading coefficient is 1. Use the AC method when it's larger. Pull out a GCF first whenever one exists. The factoring step is just section 8 applied here. Apply the zero product property. Each linear factor produces one root. Solving each linear equation is trivial. The number of distinct linear factors equals the number of distinct real solutions, which is also the number of x-axis crossings on the parabola's graph.